Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP SCM interview question and answers. How would you define supply chain management? Answer: SAP Supply Chain Management, one of the key modules in SAP ERP, manages production planning, forecasting, business and demand planning, and help organizations manage their supply chain in a dynamic environment. Which stakeholders play a role in supply chain management? Answer: the SAP SCM process connects suppliers, customers, manufacturers, business partners, and retailers to manage supply chain process effectively and efficiently. In the course of your supply chain process, were you able to use any of the following applications? Answer: as per SAP applications, the main ones are SAP General Areas, SAP Supply Network, Collaboration, SNC, SAP Extended Warehouse Management EWM, Advanced Planning and Optimization APO, Forecasting and Replacement FRE, and SAP Transportation Management TM. According to functionality, what are the different components within SAP SCM? Answer: forecasting. To use customer relationship management CRM to get data related to customer campaigns, etc. To perform demand planning and forecasting. SNP, supply network planning. To an organization can be viewed as a network of locations and stock projections can be checked. SNP calculates depend requirement down to supplying location, production and receiving stores. Planned and detailed scheduling of production. The objective is to check the depend requirements for supplying network locations as reported by SNP in conjunction with material requirements planning. Production during planning. The inbound materials required for a production order are determined. How are supply chain collaboration and supply chain coordination different? Answer: SC collaboration. Forecasts and agreements can be made using this information. Coordination of the SC. In supply chain, these components coordinations the exchange of data and information between different business units. Why should organizations use supply chain process? Answer: having a disturbed environment provides organizations with the following benefits. By using a SCM process, accounts receivable collections will be reduced, as well again an extent of credit, as well as day sales outstanding. Managing forecasting and managing sudden changes in demand and supply. Plants and equipment are examples of net fixed asset (FA) that can be effectively used. An organization can manage the supply chain management process smartly to meet customer demands. All stakeholders across the network are informed of the key information. An organization's demand and supply process are managed better with improved communications and collaboration between different business units. Reduce the cost of goods sold by improving production efficiency and reducing quality issues. Increasing rebates and incentives and reducing transportation duties and tax. reducing transportation errors in another benefit. What are the steps you have taken as part of your supply chain management responsibilities? Answer: planning, forecasting, and managing the demand for goods are all aspects of demand management. It has defined process and capabilities to produce goods. Demand planning is improved by using these component promotions each customer and thus see customer response to change in pricing policies and perfect for a particular product within the organization. Customers' reaction to price changes can be predicted using demand module depending on your organization goals like increasing profit, revenue, etc. You can define product selling strategies. Planned Independent Requirement stands for what? Answer: PIRs are used for demand management. Independent requirements provide input for production planning. PIRs contains one planned quantity of product and one data for material, or a planned quantity spans several time periods. What are MTS and MTO planning strategies? Answer: make to stock planning strategy. MTS stock is produced without a sales order in this planning strategy. Future customer orders are met with the stock. The make to order MTO planning strategy. Under this plan, you do not produce finished products until a customer orders them. Sales orders are your only consideration under MRP. As part of the MTO strategy, you only produce sales order stock and deliver products in accordance with customer sales orders. When performing MTS and MTO, what planning strategy do you use? Answer: using planning strategy 10, only PIR quantities are considered for MRP runs and sales order are completely ignored. If you deliver stock to the customer, this PIR requirement is reduced. You can consider a maximum of 2 PIR and sales orders when using planning strategy 40, and PIR is reduced when entering sales orders. When a customer requires a variant product planning strategy, 25 used to produce the variant product. Why is MRP run or planning run important? Answer: MRP runs or planning runs help close to the gap between demand and supply. A MRP elements is an issue and a receipt. PIRS depend requirements, order reservation, sales orders, and stock transfer orders are among the items to be addressed. Production orders, purchase, requisitions, and purchase order compares receipts orders, open production orders, receiving stock transfer orders, schedule line, etc. How do MRP runs differ? Answer: net change. Material that can change since the last MRP runs is considered for this run system. Changing the planning horizon for this network until net change with considered future requirements. These runs consider the requirements within the predefined planning horizon. During this run, the system considered only those materials that have undergone some changes since their last MRP. Planning for regenerative growth. In this run, the system considered all the material regardless of any changes. This is time consuming and not common in production planning. How does lead time scheduling differ from basic scheduling? Answer: basic scheduling, it calculates only the basic dates of order in MRP runs at the time spent or production for the material master began used. Scheduling with a lead time. Production dates are determined by lead time scheduling for planned order in this MRP. Thank you for watching this video.